Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to make a video on converting a PNG file to an SVG file using free software. This is just to save some money all around and also to make some cool designs using a program like Blender. Alright, so my name is OzGrillus. I do these designs, do these YouTube videos probably weekly. I stream on Twitch most evenings Australia time, which equates to about midday UK, early morning US. My link will be down below. Anyway, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is search for a program called Inkscape. Go into their website. What we're going to do is go to download, go to current version, and download it on the operating system there. So I already have it downloaded, so I'll go into that. What we're going to do is go to File, we go to Import, we're going to do the Twitch logo. Alright, so bring your logo over to the side. What we're going to do is go to Path. So we're going to go to Trace Bitmap. What we want here is we're going to select colors, smooth stack scans. We're going to hit remove background and live preview, which brings up this, which looks okay. And we're going to make the scans take it down to 3. This will just make it easier in Blender later. So what we're going to do there is just hit OK. And then we're going to exit out of that. So we've got our SVG here. We'll bring it over to the side. Go down to the bottom right arrow, hit Control, and bring it in until it fits nicely in the page. We'll go to our old file, which is the PNG, and delete that. We don't need that anymore. So now the white inside will be transparent as well, which we don't want. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select the paint bucket and white. And we're just going to fill in the white spots there, just to make sure that it works. Alright, so then we go to File, we'll go to Save As, SVG, we'll just name it Twitch logo, and save that, and that is an SVG file done, which is exactly what we've been chasing. So I'll open it up in Blender, just so we can see it works. We'll go File, Import, SVG, and that's it there, so it'll work. So yeah, 100% done. Well guys, I'm sorry that was such a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy for you guys to understand, and I hope it helps you guys out. I will have another video on my channel which will explain how to use that SVG logo to make your logo have animation on Blender. We're going to do a spinning logo. We're going to have that as a video file and as a GIF, the GIF being transparent, so you can add that to your OBS if you're a Twitch streamer. Otherwise, you can just look at how to animate it if you just want to learn how to animate video. So that video will be in the link as well. Thank you guys so much for dropping by. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to have any questions, you can pop down in the comments below, or you can check out my Twitch channel. It's much appreciated, guys. Thank you.